If you're looking for some of the toughest protection for your factory seats, these are a great option to check out. These seat covers are specifically for the 07 to 10 JKs, but we do offer another option for the 11 to 17, so make sure you get the right one for your Wrangler. These are a better upgrade than a lot of other seat covers on the market because they're made with some heavy-duty nylon. This makes them one of the most durable seat covers available on the site, second only to the Elite Ballistic. I would say that these are more for protection rather than style, but the Ballistic material will definitely give you an upgraded military look to the inside of the Jeep. These are very easy to take off and clean, making them great for trail use and protecting your seats from any unwanted mud. Speaking of the install, I would give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking a total of 20 minutes to install the front and the back. These are made with an 840 denier material that's going to be more durable than a lot of other seat covers on the market right now. This is a lighter weight option compared to the Elite version, which is 1200 denier material, but they're made for a more substantial amount of tough use. But like I mentioned, these are still very strong and they'll last years without any tears or rips. For nylon, these have a great fit and the design of the cover fits very well to the shape of the factory seats. The material doesn't have much give like a neoprene or other fabric option, but this does have an impressive fit for nylon. If you are looking for a tighter, more form-fit design, I would recommend checking out some of our neoprene options that will feel a lot softer and they'll stretch a lot more. The fabric is UV protected as well, so if you have the top off in the summer, the fabric won't fade and they'll keep that new appearance to them. I'd like to mention that these are not fully waterproof, but they will definitely be good at deflecting any lighter spills from getting to your factory fabric. These are set at a great price for the life and durability that you're getting with them. These come with 2 options. You can either purchase all 4 seat covers together, or you can just purchase the front like I have here. The front is going to be around $150 and all 4 is going to be around the $220 mark. This is very well priced and actually a little bit under average, but that doesn't take away from the quality at all. At this price point, these are definitely a great investment if you're looking to keep those factory seats looking brand new. If you had a higher budget and you were looking for a heavier, more durable option, I would recommend to check out the Elite version of these seat covers. Like I mentioned, this is going to be a breeze at 1 out of 3 wrenches and should only take you about 20 minutes to get them on. For the front, all you have to do is take the headrest off, slide the seat cover over the top portion of the seat, and Velcro the bottom flaps between the bend of the seat. Then the bottom portion just lays over the bottom portion of the seat, and there's a couple of straps and hooks that you have to attach and connect underneath. Same instructions go for the back, although the larger upper section in the rear is zippered on the back of the cover. Lastly, slide the headrest covers on, Velcro everything down, and you can enjoy your new seat covers. So if you were looking for some solid protection to your factory seats, these Rugged Ridge Ballistic seat covers are a great option for you and your JK. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.